Aga grew up in Poland under communism, and she really has a different approach to doing things. It's a really refreshing approach. She analyzes things differently than what we do in this country, and I have learned a lot from her on, as I call it, cut-to-the-chase analysis. She's not distracted by things which are not important to the decision. She cuts to what's important and makes her decisions accordingly. And I've tried to copy that. I find that very refreshing.
I am a very much goal-oriented person. I know where I want to be in 2020. So in order to get there, I set my annual goals and I then break them up by a month. And I am driven by challenge. Anytime something is difficult or challenging, I feel like, how do we go about getting there? I think, between the challenge and setting goals is what drives me the most.